Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Rupti Kakulte, Department of Zoology, KAA NMS Arts, Commerce and Science College, Satana. So, in previous lecture, we have studied the diagnostic research. So, now in this lecture, we are going to study about evaluation studies. So, what is meant by evaluation study? So, evaluation study is type of the applied research, and the applied research which is made the different types of assessing the effectiveness of social or economical programs which is implemented or assessing the impact of development project area. It is determine the result attained by some activity designed to accomplish some value goals or objective. So when we are study about the evaluation study, it is necessary to have our own goals as well as our objective. What is the purpose of this research? It is directed to assess or appreciate the quality and quantity of activity and its performance, to specify its attributes and condition which is required to success of this research. The next one research is called as a action research. Of course, the action research which is to be attempt to study on the action of any type of research. So, if there is eradication of malaria, so we are take the action on this malaria, as well as to investigate the different types of remedies those are cure this type of disease. The action research is a reflective process or progressive program to solving led by the individual working with other in teams or the community of your practice. To improve this way, we are address the issue and solve the different types of problems. Next, what is the purpose of this research? It is a baseline survey for the pre-action situation. It is responsible for to propose the action program, launching the program, evaluation program, as well as making the modification and changes into the different types of program. So action research is the common research which is included into the different types of research one. So next one research is called as a experimental research. So of course the this type of research which is mainly used into the science faculty, that is the sociology, psychology, physiology, chemistry, biology, as well as into the branch of medicine one. So experimental research which is commonly used into the providing the different types of data and providing the different types of proofs with the help of the experimental research one. It is very scientific and the systematic research which is approach to the research in which the researcher is manipulate one or more valuable variable controls and changing the different types of variations one. So for when we are got the different types of variation, thereafter these are proved with the help of the experimental research. So there are also having the different types of purposes. So it is conducted to able to predict the different types of phenomenon, to maintain the overall all the factors and a blueprint of the procedure that enable the researcher to teach his hypothesis. The analytical research as well as the analytical study which is totally depends on the mathematical models, statistical techniques which are applicable to the numerical data. Analytical study which is based on their quantitative method one, because previously we have discussed that there are two types of research, mainly the qualitative research and the quantitative research. So analytical research which is included into the quantitative data research one. What is the purpose of this research? It is aimed to testing the hypothesis and specifying and interpreting the different types of relation. It concentrate on the analyzing the data in the depth and examine the relationship from various angles by bringing in their many relevant variables as possible in the analytical plans one. So the historical research, it is totally based on the past event, and we know that our most of the future events are depend on our past events one. So any topic which is taken for our research, then after this data which is taken from their past events one. So the systematic collection and evaluation of data related to the past occurrence in the order to describe cause, effects and trend of those events that may help explain present event and the anticipate our the future event. Data is often achievable and including on the basis of the newspaper clippings as well as the photograph. Many interviews are also taken place into the historical research one. So this historical research which is draw the explanation and generalization from the past trend in order to understand the present and to anticipate the future. It enables us to grasp our relationship with the past and the plan more intelligently for the future one. So the future event, those are to be evolving, changing their transformation because of their historical research one. The survey research, it is one of the most important area of measurement in applied social research. The broad area of survey research emphasizes any measurement procedure that involve asking questionnaire of the respondent. A survey can be anything from the short paper or pencil feedback and from the intensive one to all interviews one. So what is the purpose of this research? It is always conducted in a natural setting. It seeks responsible directly from the respondent. It can cover a very large population. A survey may involve an extensive survey or intensive study one. So everywhere we can able to take the such a type of research, and the survey cover the definite geographical area, city as well as the state and district and city into the case. It is also one of the case into the research methodology commonly into the social sciences one. So it is based on the very depth investigation of a single individual, group, event as well as the expression causation into order to fill the underlying practices. So these are the different types of the